Alright guys, I want to show you two strong text animations you need to know if you want to go into motion designs using Capcut. First of all, click on new project and import a background you want to use. I decided to import my own background from Capcut library. So I'll select one background right here. Now I'll have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Alright, so when that is done, tap and expand it to fit your screen. So this is okay. So you can now extend it, make it up to 10 seconds. So when that is done, take it to the beginning of the video. Now tap on this navigation button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Go to text. Click on text. Click on add text. Now you can add any text of your choice. You can decide to change the font. I will use this one. Sequel. I'll add style. Then I'm going to add stroke. The stroke will be white. And I'll reduce the width. So this is okay. Now what you will need to do is to go over to curve. Click on curve. Now apply the curve effect. Reduce it to 0. You get my point? That's perfect. So tap on it. Now from where you want this particular text to curve, from this point here, now you come back to style, click on style, go to curve again, add keyframe from there. Now click on OK. At this point, you'll have to click on lasting text. So it will take the text to the end of the video. So come back to style. Move this to this point. Now go back to curve. So from here you are going to increase it to 360. So when you increase it to 360, this is what you're gonna get. You get my point? So as you can see, you are able to create a curve effect. So when this is done, guys, you are good to go. Click on the OK button. Now move the video a bit from the last keyframe. Add another keyframe. Now move it a bit. At this point, go and look for basic. Click on basic. Now click on rotate and rotate it 360. Click on OK. Now let's see what we got. So look at it. You just created this rotation effect by yourself using the Capcut app. So at the beginning, you can tap on it. Now go to animation. So at this point, you can select throughout animation. You get my point. So click on OK. So that is perfect. You get my point. Now to open this circle, you can move from this point. You can tap on it like this. Add keyframe. You get my point. You can add keyframe from here. Move the video a bit and move it to this angle. Or maybe to anywhere. You get my point. Now let's go back to text. Go to style. Now click on curve. At this point, you add keyframe from here. You move a bit, then you reduce it to 0. So you can now drag it out like this. You get my point? So if you are to play the video, you're going to have something like this. You get my point? Wow, that's perfect. You can decide to change the background. So maybe I can decide to swipe it away. Get my point? Alright, so when that is done, the next thing you'll have to do is still on text. Now this time around, you come to draw. You click on draw. When you click on draw, you are going to select black. Let's select black, but you can decide to use another color. You can reduce the size, or you can leave it here at 25. Now you come to select the basic pattern. Look at this particular one here. I want to use this one with arrow at the end. So when that is done, you can just draw it from here. You get my point? So when you draw from here, the next thing for you to do is to click on OK. So as you can see, it's just like this, understand? But we have to animate this particular one, understand? So what you need to do is to click on animation. When you click on animation, so now you look at this animation, you see that this particular blur wipe is, let's click on this one. Look at it there. Now you are going to increase the timing. So look at it right there. So you see, this particular animation is something anyone that wants to go into motion designs will have to use. You get my point? You'll be seeing this on Light Motion, Adobe Premiere Pro, and all of those bigger software. You get my point? But you don't know you can use this also on Capcut. You can create this also on Capcut. So that is why I am sharing it with you guys, so you know you can create these things right here on Capcut. You get my point? So I believe you've learned something today, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. You get my point? So without wasting much time, so see you in our next video.